Hey everybody, Roger here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change the air filter in a late model Ford F-150. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Today I'll be changing the air filter on this 2015 Ford F-150, and procedures will be similar for most late model F-150s, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Here's what you'll do. Open the hood and locate the air filter housing. Disengage the clip securing the lid of the housing. Pull out slightly on the lid to disengage the tabs on the back side and lift the cover. Take out the old filter. Make sure the inside of the air filter housing is clear of leaves and debris. Put your new filter in, making sure it's seated and oriented properly in the housing. Slide the tabs at the back of the lid into place. Secure the lid by clipping the two tabs and close the hood. And that's it! You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. So if you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.